I am Nick Bolton, and as well as being an arboricultural consultant, I am also qualified as a commercial pilot in the use of drones. I am going to briefly introduce you to some of the capabilities of drones as part of digital arboriculture, but the scope of what they can do and how we can use them is greater than time allows for now. The main data sets we can make use of in digital arboriculture are video and still photography. This can be converted to point cloud data for use in 3D modelling. The starting point for utilising drones is the ability to capture images, whether video or stills, at a low cost, high volume. Photographs can be used to provide unique perspectives to a site, or combined to give incredibly high resolution and detailed Google Earth-esque views. Pre-development, drones enable us to capture real-time information about a site at a far better resolution than is available from satellite imagery. In crude terms, 1 pixel of a satellite image covers about 30 meters on the ground, whereas a single pixel from a drone image can be as small as 2 centimeters. However, useful as photographs are, they are only two-dimensional, and to fully realize the potential of the captured data, we need to be able to view the model in 3 dimensions. With a single pixel being the equivalent of approximately 2 centimeters on the ground, a relatively small site can consist of hundreds of thousands, if not millions of pixels that make up the cloud data points which, when viewed from a distance, appear as a 3D model. A further conversion can take place to plot lines between each of the dots to create triangles, forming a model made up of the triangle mesh. This can not only appear as more photorealistic, but also creates a surface that is easier to manipulate in software such as Revit or AutoCAD when designing a site as a 3D model. The use of these models have great potential in arboriculture, not only because they provide us with a much broader perspective of a site and the role that trees have to play, but also through the ability to help explain the relevance of trees and other features of green infrastructure to a site. However, there are some unique challenges to modelling trees using point cloud or triangle mesh, not least of which is because trees are rarely static and therefore capturing the images required to create the model is hard. Trees will often appear with gaps in the point cloud model, and where the triangle mesh attempts to fill in the gap, the effect is a postmodernist image with only a passing resemblance to the actual tree. As with everything, drones are one tool in the box and they cannot be used as a standalone solution. The technology has moved a long way in a very short period of time, and it still has a long way to go. They provide us with new opportunities and new ways of working, and I think offer an exciting future for the sector.